cinnamon challenge right now?
Is it really that big of a deal? How can you not? How can? Have you done it?
Yeah, I have.
Oh my
well,
God.
most people I work
This
with
is
have.
all.
And
You realize this is on like Tosh.0 for a reason.
Don't let two girls.
see, no, yeah. What is it?
Is this
What's
how
gonna
much
happen
it's
to
supposed
me?
It's not a
Share.
big deal.
Don't.
Is this how much it's supposed
What's
to be?
gonna happen if I eat this?
You will not die. There's laces.
No, I don't believe that I'll die. I'm just saying, why is it so hard to do? What's the problem?
Okay, just stand close to the sink.
You don't have to stand close to the sink. Just give me
Okay,
the
let's
best
see if
milk,
you
I'll
can-
take it down.
Okay, do it.
Am I gonna throw up? Is it?
No, you're not gonna throw
Not
up.
gonna throw up.
Just do it.
Yeah, it sure is.
You got it.
Oh no, awful.
You got it.
I've never actually seen something.
I feel like he's gonna do it. He's crying a little
Oh my
bit.
god, he's gonna do it. I think
Did
he
you
did
just do it?
I think
Wow.
he totally did it.
Oh wow.
You are a stud. You are one spicy
Damn,
Jew.
Cecil.
Oh my god, John!
Open your mouth.
What are you two? The Jewish man at your church defies gravity.
Dude, that
I'm
was awesome.
What
impressed.
did you better?
You
Ma, you wanna
earned.
do it?
No!
Why not?
Strandhafer did me in already.
Ma, this is nothing compared
no,
to that.
Can't. I hate cinnamon.
Damn.
My breath feels
Exquisite.
That's insane.
Dad,
like hyper
will you try it?
You.
surprisingly
David, will you
refreshing.
try it?
I've tried it.
You have?
Okay, bye guys, love you.
Bye!
Bye.
All right.
You do it.
Don't fall over there.
Was it bad?